Hi everyone, David Lewis here, and I have a question for all of my automotive salespeople out there. As a customer, should I be scared of you? Now I know most of you are going to say no, but I want you to listen carefully. The answer is yes. The customer should be petrified of you. Why? Because you're a professional salesperson. You must always remember that when the customer comes to your dealership and you meet and greet them, you have two totally separate agendas. Obviously, you as the salesperson, you want to sell them a car, you want to sell them a car today, and you want to sell it to them for as much gross as possible. Where the customer has a different agenda. See, they don't want to buy a car today. They want to shop, they want to look, they want to compare. And when they do buy it, they want to buy it on their timeline and they want to pay as little as possible. So my point of today's video is this. Every time you are with a customer and you do your meet and greet and you go through your sales process, I want you to think about, are you scaring them? Are you asking them questions that they might think are threatening? A lot of you will say, I never do that. But sometimes we do that without the intention of scaring them. When you ask people questions like, what is your timeline? What is your budget? Even simple questions like, do you have a trade? How much do you think your trade is worth? Do you owe any money on your trade? These questions scare people because why? They want to know what is your motive. So they start thinking of why you're asking those questions and then how to respond to them. And that's why sometimes people lie to us. I'm not telling you don't have to ask these questions. I want you to be careful when you ask the questions. Now, me personally, I don't ask the questions. I wait until the very end. I wait until I present numbers, and then I let the questions come up. For example, I don't ask people if they have a trade, ever. That way, when I present the numbers and ask for the sale, when they say to me, well, we have a trade, to me, that is a buying and closing opportunity. What they're saying is, we have a trade, we're interested in buying, but we want to know what our trade is worth. I don't ask people what their budget is. Why? Because I take them out in the lot, I show them cars, I let them look at window stickers and determine their own budget. I'm trying to lower their defensive posture. Don't ever try to increase it. So, should the customer be afraid of you? Absolutely. Can we control this a little bit? Absolutely as well. Just put yourself in their shoes when making a presentation. Good luck, everyone.
Thank you for watching my video, and I hope I inspired you. If you enjoyed the content, please like, share, and click the subscribe button. Once you subscribe, make sure to hit the bell so you can receive more content like this every week. And should you have any comments or questions, I'd love to hear them.